What you just saw is known as bumping, the art of opening a lock with just a few taps on a special key, a key that's increasingly easy to make and to get. The special key is inserted into the lock. When tapped, the tumblers tumble and the key turns. No damage to the lock, no sign it was tampered with. It's amazingly easy.
It takes just a little bit of practice, but I've been at it for about 10 minutes now. This key is stuck, a couple of taps, and that key turns, and I've just bumped a lock.
Think your house is safe? Think again. The Salem-based Medico high-security lock company is among those marketing a lock that can't be bumped.
The thing about a Medico key that you don't at first notice is that the cuts are at angles. So they're not cut perpendicular to the key blade. There's a third locking mechanism as well, and this is a side cut that interacts with what we call a slider inside the cylinder. And this cut will depress and move the slider to the right position.
There goes two.
Any lock?
You could open probably the majority of the locks in America.
Locks that can be found at most common hardware stores, including the big box stores.
Like that.
That disturbing fact has inspired Dennis to warn others.
There we go.
I wasn't really pleased with that. I think we might have our locks changed.